Hey guys, homesteading cheaper by the dozen, and we made a boo-boo. Our chain, we bought a new bar for the chainsaw, and the chain was too long, so we bought some of these helpful little guys to extend it, and we cut it too short. So we're gonna try our hand at using a cutoff from an 8-penny nail, and actually it's a gun nail. It's probably a 10-penny, but we've tried this once before, so we know it actually works, because when we put this all together, we used that for a link, and then it was too short and we had to grind it off. So we're gonna try this and paint it all together and then see how well it works. Okay, let me get the safety glasses. So we've got the factory master link here. All right, bring that and the hammer. Got the factory master link, and then we cut another link out to go in there. Don't try this at home. It's not necessarily recommended, but in theory it should work as well as the factory link. We'll try it out and see how this goes. All right, first off, let's do the factory one first. Put this, no, that's not it. Okay, take this one off. All right, turn that one around. Is it pointed the right direction? Nope, nope. Turn it over. There we go. And then we'll put that on. Got your safety glasses? Yeah, stylish. All right, and then we just peen that over in case nobody's ever done a chainsaw.
That's not good.
You just put it on there, and
they're specific that
a ball peen, yeah, it has a little groove at the bottom. Let me get this up here. A ball peen hammer would probably work the best. Basically, you're just dimpling that and peening it over so it will catch, not push back through the hole. All right, do the other one. One behind you. Did you do both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now let's put them both together. Hayden, can you help me a second?
Yeah, Dad. I will.
This is our trusty shop here, the corner of the trailer. One of these days, we're gonna have a shop.
It's gonna need to get painted over more.
Yeah, it's a little bit, you can see how it's a little loose in there. We'll have to peen it some more and tighten it up, but we'll get it. My trusty cut off nail head.
One second.
So that's our little nail head in there. Drive it down and
It seems to be working pretty well. It ain't come off to chop anyone's way off yet. Or anybody's pinky. So, will using a nail work? Yes, it will.
I don't recommend it, but the nail does the job if you do it. We told you not to. If you're in a pinch out in the woods or something and you got to keep working for the day, it'll do the trick. Sadly, it looks like we picked a dull chain to shorten, so we got to go sharpen a chain. All right, y'all, like, subscribe, have a good day, give us a thumbs up, 3 or 4. Till next time.